Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how designers get that cool, popping 3D text effect right inside Figma, you're in the right place. Today I'm breaking down a step-by-step guide on how you can create eye-catching 3D text using Figma and a handy plugin called Oblique. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the skills to make your designs really stand out with professional-looking 3D typography. So let's dive right in. Alright, to kick things off, open up your Figma project where you want to add your 3D text effect. If you don't have a text layer yet, just grab the text tool, type out whatever you want, maybe your name, your brand, or just 3D text for practice. Make sure your text is selected because we're about to jump into the plugin that makes the magic happen. Now look down towards the bottom center of your Figma window. You should see an action area or button. Go ahead and click there and you'll find a search bar where you can browse plugins. In the search bar, type in Oblique. If you haven't installed it already, Figma will let you do that right here. It's a pretty lightweight plugin, so it shouldn't take more than a few seconds. Once you have Oblique installed, go ahead and click Open to launch it up. With Oblique open, make sure your text is still selected. Now this is where the magic happens. You'll see a field for angle. This is how steep the 3D effect will look. Think of it like tilting your text to make it look more dramatic. The standard here is to set it at 10 degrees, which gives a nice, realistic sense of depth without going overboard. If you set the angle lower, the effect will look more subtle, and if you increase it, you'll get a more dramatic slant. It's a good starting point, but you can always tweak this later to fit your design style. Next up, you'll notice an option called Projection Distance. This controls how far the back shadow or the extrusion of the text stretches out behind your original letters. A common value that works well visually is around 20. If you imagine holding a flashlight right by a paper cutout of your text, the projection distance is kind of like how long the shadow would stretch on the wall. If you want your 3D text to look chunky and bold, go higher. If you prefer something subtle, keep it lower. Now comes the fun part, choosing your color. You can choose literally any color you want for the 3D extrusion effect. Maybe you want a classic black shadow, a bold neon, or even match your brand colors. Totally up to you and your creative vision. Sometimes experimenting here can lead to the coolest results, so feel free to play around a bit and see what works best with your background and overall design scheme. Once you've set your angle, projection distance, and picked your color, look for the project button in Oblique and give it a click. The plugin will do its thing, give it a moment, and you'll instantly see your text transformed into a sleek 3D version. Seriously, it's that easy. Don't worry if you want to adjust anything. You can always tweak these settings or even try out different colors and distances until you get it just right for your project. And that's pretty much it. With just a few quick steps, you've made awesome 3D text in Figma. It's a fantastic way to add visual punch to your designs, whether you're working on a poster, a website mockup, or even just experimenting for fun. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give the video a like. It really helps the channel out. Got any questions or want to see more cool Figma hacks? Drop a comment below. And make sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.